mistake. Typical Jamaica woman who gonna forgive woman. And him gonna make me probably make a mistake again and again. And you must know when a cup run over, you don't want to take it anymore, you know. And you must know when a cup run over where you can't take it no more. And if you really say you have a husband and your husband don't mean you're good, then you go your ways. Happy Sunday. How are you? Because them call me Yamid, them call me as a something.
Who call Yamid? Who call Yamid? Who call Yamid?
Well, if people over here call me Yamid.
Why do I call Yamid though?
I'm madly in love with the husband who God bless me with.
So your husband never fight for?
And true, me post one, me make one video for say, guys, I don't care where, uno younger, like, bro, me knowing myself, say, I know a whole heap of woman out there would just want, they don't want my husband, you know. Then just want have him give man look a piece for have something over me. If you say, oh, that the married man there where the girl did that kill up herself at that, but me give man look a one touch. They don't want him, you know. They don't want him. So I said, even if you don't want to give me look one piece,
give me one piece.
Give me one piece. You don't want to breed for man, you don't want to do this time or you don't really have nothing to do with me.
And hold on. So them can give me one piece but no breed for him.
No, that's not what I said. I'm giving an example, the reason why it doesn't really matter when me and my husband go through, I'm not leaving him. So I give like numerous examples. I said I'm not leaving my man. It's up to me.
No matter what them say now, if your man.
Yeah, I'm not leaving him. Especially.
And you're your man.
Yeah, I'm my man.
And you love your man.
I'm a love your husband.
And if them say yeah, man, you know, care.
Yeah, it's us against the world.
You're right through this time.
If you want to stay in my life, for the trade with in the mama, because I'm not leaving.
Because I use it for better for worse.
Yeah, I mean say. And me go in front of God and say that. And me and God go there. You understand?
Stay with the husband.
Yeah. So, I that them run with it. We're trapping on this bombard.
Just make a little combo thing on the scale and everybody and us organize and lay out the rules and make them know. Alright, so and so.
Stay in them lane.
Yeah.
If you stay for the so just respect me and me respect you. But we're stuck in at this. My sense of a man, hold on to sit down for my life and I say, I can't even get 2 taps on them things. I don't like what I'm going on. And it's crazy because even though I said that, my man still give me the highly respect.
Same way.
I stay right to so I say if my man ever get up, you see, I can't come for my finger. I'm getting them about the problem. My husband don't give me a problem. Yes, when he do give me a problem was mistake. Because me and him go through problems too where both of us have to talk it over and fix things. Yeah. Then him never go through nothing when I say, I'm done with that boy, I'm done. Like, I'm fed up.
That means so you have a great understanding.
We have a phenomenal understanding. Them the boy not giving us trust and a woman problem and a bunny. And them someday, me not go through them someday. And even if I have a side woman out the road.
You want 11 perfume at 2 cat. 2 hot. Catch 2 hot. No, catch 2 hot.
I swear. 3 on my team. Thank you.
Come on, somebody catch you on a couple of Come on. Water doesn't hot.
Man, I go do. Man, I go always be man, you know. But I just respect what you're supposed to have for your woman. 2 more guys. No, I can't get 2 more other cowboys.
Mr. From man, I fight it, you know. God say I know the whole one over here, so I barely
can't get 2 more on my team. Man, I go always be man, and sometimes we as women we always one step ahead of them. We way more smarter. Them always act like them a 5-year-old. So man was gonna act like say him just born.
I say so sometimes.
Teach him back everything. Like
Kiki, go on.
And we call him and say, Mommy, can't take a son now? Like, I can't breastfeed your son. And she was like, well, I use it for better or for worse.
That means that
my mother-in-law tell me, hello, I use it for better or for worse. And I agree with her.
In the end of the day, Rachel, still, you know your husband and whatever thing. You see me?
At the end of the day,
you can't make some little thing. You can't make some little thing cancel your marriage and them things.